In a world driven by innovation and technology, there is a visionary named MUFAREH, born with a relentless passion for empowering people. Ash was no ordinary entrepreneur. He believed in creating opportunities that not only uplifted individuals, but also redefined how businesses operated. Ash's journey to success was not without challenges. Early in his career, he realized that many people, despite their potential, struggled to thrive in the digital world. This observation ignited a fire within him to build something extraordinary, a platform that would level the playing field for everyone, regardless of their technical skills or resources. Thus, Onpassive was born, a revolutionary AI-driven platform designed to automate and simplify business processes. Under Ash's leadership, Onpassive became a global beacon of hope, offering tools and solutions that empowered small businesses, entrepreneurs, to turn their ideas into thriving enterprises. What set Ash apart was his unwavering commitment to inclusivity and fairness. He envisioned a future where success wasn't confined to a privileged few, but was accessible to all who dared to dream. His mantra, "Success is a journey best shared," resonated deeply with millions across the world. Ash's dedication wasn't limited to his professional endeavors. Known for his humility and generosity, he actively supported community initiatives and encouraged others to do the same. His leadership inspired a global network of like-minded individuals united by a common goal, creating a better future through innovation, collaboration, and compassion. As Onpassive grew into a powerhouse of technological excellence, MUFAREH remained the heart and soul of the organization. A leader who turned his vision into reality, and in doing so, changed countless lives. His story is a testament to the power of purpose, perseverance, and the belief that we rise by lifting others.